You know, there's nothing more relaxing to me than the sound of running water. And as I stand here on this beautiful spring day and enjoy the scenery, the wildlife, the green grass here in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. We're actually in northwest Georgia at 1291 Braswell Road in Rockmart. And if you'll notice, to access the pasture, you need to ford the creek. You're driving through the creek to access each pasture area. This is actually Hills Creek. Hills Creek flows into Harley Creek, which flows into Etowah River. And you know, as I stand here today, I was thinking about a story my grandfather used to tell about his grandfather. His grandfather lived along a creek in northwest Georgia similar to this, and he had sawmill, he had a corn mill. And to power those mills, he used water wheels. And the particular water mill there was made from all copper. And my grandfather would tell me, he said, I often wonder what happened to that special water wheel that was made from copper. And he also, thinking about fording the creek, he would tell me that to access his grandfather's home, you actually forded the creek to get to his home. And as I stand here today, I think about that. And please continue to enjoy what we would like to share with you here on this property, the jewel of northwest Georgia.